This video will show you how to use film cutting machine to make a custom backing film. Come and see it. This equipment you may need it. Run drive. Run successfully. Check the IP code. Connect SIM Wi-Fi with computer. Select the model you want to cutting. View the album. Randomly selected to test. Fill in the IP code we just made and choose image. Print layer. Protective layer. Start printing. Film customized image printing. Applying protective film. Check the position of the hole. Thanks for watching. Do you interested?